Welcome to OTProAcademy. Today we'll be guiding you through the essential process of changing bed sheets with the patient still in bed. This crucial skill helps maintain hygiene and prevent pressure ulcers. If you haven't seen our previous video on how to roll a client in bed, make sure to check it out for helpful tips. Let's get started. To begin, here are the items you'll need: disposable gloves, trash bag or linen cart, fitted sheet, draw sheet, chucks, pillowcase. Links to the items are on the description below. Explain the process to the client. Encourage them to assist if possible. Wash your hands, put on gloves, and have your items within reach. Adjust the bed, lowering the head until it's flat, locking the bed breaks, and raising the bed to waist level. Gently roll the patient to one side of the bed. Have them hold onto the bed rail to assist in moving into a side-lying position. For more detailed instructions on how to roll a client, watch our previous video linked below. Roll the soiled sheets towards the client's back, tucking them under their body. Start with the clean fitted sheet on the exposed side of the bed. Fold the draw sheet in half lengthwise and position it between the head and knees. This will help scoot the patient up towards the head of the bed. Add 2 chuck pads on top of the draw sheet. Pleat and tuck the clean sheets near the client under their body. Gently roll the client to the opposite side of the bed. Carefully remove the rolled soiled sheets, ensuring your clothes do not touch the bed. Dispose of the soiled sheets properly. While the client is side-lying, unroll and pull the clean sheets towards each corner of the bed. Smooth out any wrinkles to ensure the client's comfort. Assist the client to lie back on the bed. Remove the soiled pillowcase and replace it with a fresh one. Communicate clearly with the client to keep them informed and comfortable. Prioritize the patient's safety and comfort at all times. Work efficiently to conserve energy for both you and the client. By following these steps, you can change bed sheets effectively and ensure a clean and comfortable environment for the patient. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable caregiver resources. Don't forget to check out our previous video on how to roll a client in bed. And for more free caregiver resources, visit our website at otproacademy.com. And thank you for watching. See you next time.